Hello friends and welcome back to the Technology channel. So friend, Books unveiled Mira Pro color version, a 25.3-inch color e-ink monitor. So friend, Books has announced Mira Pro, a color version and its first 25.3-inch color e-ink monitor as an upgrade to monochrome Mira Pro, and the new model combines the comfort for e-ink display with rich color, and it aims to offer professional programmers, students and any other heavy screen user a more eye-friendly, impressive, and productivity experience. And the BOOX Mira Pro is available to purchase from Box at $899.99. So, friend, the Mira Pro stand out with Kaleido 3-color ePaper screen featuring 16 levels of gyroscope and 4096 colors, and it delivers soft color for enhanced visual experience, making it highly suitable for tasks that demand color differentiation and such as reviewing color code dashboard, analyzing data, and working with complex graphics. And the addition of color doesn't compromise the paper feel and clarity that e-ink display are known. So friend, user can focus and engage for extended period without the static using by the traditional LCD and monitor. And whether use a primary and secondary screen in the 25.3-inch large display, giving ample space for split screen multitasking and displaying detailed document, and the adjustable dual tone front light ensure readability in any lighting condition. And the connectivity ports including total 5 ports, HDMI, mini HDMI, USB Type-C, DP and DC, and ensuring easy connection to computer, tablet and phone. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.